Alrighty, what's going on, Appreneurs? Christopher Wilson here. How to create apps that make you money every single day. We're in the next training, and a few things I want to say before we go ahead and get started. This video is part of a playlist, so go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell notification, because more than likely it's going to be on YouTube. So you want to be you want to be on top of it when the next video is out. Go ahead and you'll be notified. Sorry. Okay. Real quick, in this training, as you can see, you're probably wondering about the car there. That's my Dodge Challenger. Okay, and I bought that actually after my my month where I made the $16,000. I bought it in that month. I believe that was take that back. I bought it a couple months afterwards, but put $16,000 on it because, like I said, at that time I was crushing it. Okay, so I said, well, I'm gonna get my dream car, Challenger. I've been wanting one of these ever since I was 15 years old. So I treated myself to it. I drove down to Florida. Seen this car. Well, I seen this car on Auto Trader. But I seen it, I said I want it, and I got it. And I got a customized license plate actually that says AppMogul. It says AppyMogul, but it says AppMogul because they only let you get 7 letters for a license plate. Okay? But somebody watching this training is going to be a superstar. Okay? I don't know who it is, but somebody's going to figure this thing out and take it to the next level, and I hope it's you. So don't sell yourself short. You know, you can. A lot of app developers. This is where the money is, y'all. A lot of app developers are making 5 figures a month. Okay, I'm one of them. Okay, if I can do these trainings, and make apps, I'm an app developer. So start telling yourself that. But anyway. Enough of me going ahead talking about, things, although it is app related. We're going to go ahead and get to the training. Now, I stopped right here. Yeah, this is where we last stopped at. Okay? And there's been a change in plan. I actually want to do a neon wolf keyboard. Okay? Because this wolf, we stopped here and I installed this app on my phone and I looked at it and it's got some nice look. So I decided, let's do a flaming wolf keyboard thing. Okay. And as you can see, these are more apps from this developer. His name is Delicate Theme, but these are some more of his apps. Excuse me. Phone call from the wife again. Video. Okay. All right. This is why you're not supposed to take your phones to class. Okay. I'm going to have to put that in, and when watching the videos, shut off all electronic devices. Because we're taking this serious, y'all. But anyway, these are more apps. Okay. He's got, and he seems to be specializing in keyboard themes. So find your niche and you can become the next superstar making apps. Get 5 figures a month. Do you know, here's a fun fact, do you know remember Candy Crush? When Candy Crush was in its heyday, do you know it was making 6 figures a day? Excuse me, the high 6 figures, okay? Over $500,000 a day, okay? So, this is where the money is, y'all. But anyway, I installed this on my phone, so I like it. So we're going to change our we're going to change our folder to, instead of Army keyboard theme, we're going to make it a Neon Wolf themes. But first I need to get my, okay, where is it at? Yeah. Okay, we're going to change this to Neon Wolf. Wolf theme, keyboard theme, okay? And that's probably what we're going to name it too. keyboard theme. Okay. All right. Now, that's what it is. Okay. So real quick, this training is on finding out images. Now, I'm going to show you my method and AppyGEN's where to get content. I'm going to show you their method. So I'm going to open my folder, and if you've been observing, you see my browser. Everything's in folders, because remember, organization is key. When you're putting up apps, you have to be organized. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and open up these tabs, and I'm going to show you how I find content and my sources, and what I have to do to edit my images to make them ready. And you have to put filters on your images. I would suggest that every image, unless it's Creative Commons, of course, or public domain. I'll teach y'all about that in 1 minute. But let's see. Going to let our tabs open up. Okay. Okay, we're back. Now, I'm going to show you my method of getting images. Okay, here we go. So, this is Yandex. This is a site I use. Matter of fact, this is my #1 site, okay, for getting images. And I also use Bing, and I use Google also, but I use Yandex first, okay? So, I'm going to go to Yandex, and I'm going to put all the links in the description, okay? What's this? All right. Anyway, let me move myself over here. Let's try that. Nope. Let's move myself back over here. Sorry for the minor distractions, everyone. Okay. All right. So up here, we're looking for wolf wallpapers, right? Or neon wolf. So let's type in neon, and I'm on images. Matter of fact, let me show you real quick where I'm at. I'm on images, and right now I'm not on Creative Commons. I'm just going to see what we got in as far as regular images to be displayed. So neon wolf, okay, neon wolf, okay. I'm already on images, so let's see what we. Okay, those look nice. Okay, look at that. All right, neon wolf images. Alrighty. Now, I'm trying to see, I'm not sure if filters. Okay. Oh, okay, here we go. Type. Let's see what we got. Orientation. Okay. Well, Yandex doesn't have. One thing I want to mention too, Yandex don't have the same images as Google. So these are you're pretty much good to go with these. Okay. But it is also to search the Creative Commons first. But anyway, Neon Wolf, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a few of these. Okay. Let's get that one. And what you do is just click on the image. Okay, interest, okay, which is good. So we're going to put that in our app. We're going to right click and save image as. And we're going to put it in another folder inside of our main folder. Let's see, where is it at? Neon Wolf, there we go. Okay, so let's go to Neon Wolf. Let's put a new folder, and this is what I do. IMG, which means images, neon wolf, keyboard, okay. Okay, and we're going to go ahead, open that folder up and save that image. Okay, that's a JPG too. Okay. Usually I like PNG images for our keyboard things, but That looks pretty sharp, so I think we'll be good. Okay, so that's one. I like to get between 5 to 10 images, but you can put as many as you like. But for this, just starting out, we're just going to put up a few. I just want to just show you. Okay, let's get one from. Let's see. Find another one. How about let's get a full length one like that. Let's try that one. Okay. And at this point, you really don't have to worry about the sizes because we're going to resize them when we put our filters. Okay. That doesn't look too sharp, but we're going to use it anyway. Okay. Let's go ahead and right click it and save it to our images folder. Okay. And to show you how to use Bing too. Okay. So let's go to Bing. All right. Now we're going to try a few ways. First, we're going to try and see what all the results look like. Neon Wolf. Neon Wolf. Okay. Another ninja trick, like when you're searching for the images, you can actually put iPhone next to it. Images from the iPhone users. But you're going to be putting yours on Google Play. See? Okay, here's a nice one. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at this one. Actually download that one. Okay. So let's right click. And as I said before, I'm just, just grabbing some images. Okay. Now, okay, save. All right. Let's put a filter on this, and we're going to filter it according to license. Okay. Now, you got all, which is what we just did, Creative Commons, public domain. Free to share to use, free to share to use commercially. Okay. So, what I like to do, I like to use free to share and use commercially and all Creative Commons actually. So let's try, okay, let's try all Creative Commons first. Okay, these are the common images that you can use. Okay, in other words, you won't get in trouble using these. In no way. Okay, let's get one of these. Well, let's get this one. And let's right click, save image as. And go ahead and save that. Okay. And that's with Bing. Now, like I said, no more than 10 images, you should be fine. That's why you can put these apps up so quickly. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And I'm going to go to Google. But let's take a look at some, well, before I go to Google, let's take a look at free to share use commercial. Let's see what these look like. Just to give you an idea of the filters and the Creative Commons images that you can use. Okay? Computer's running real slow. Okay. And basically you see the selection is not that extensive. But these are free to use and copyright free. So you can use those. We also go to Google and we do the same thing. Demonstration, I'm going to use a couple images from Google. And I'm going to get one image then. Let's see. Neon Wolf. Okay. Now, I'm coming up on the 15-minute mark, and I like to keep the videos at a nice, easy to digest format. So 15 minutes. So I'm going to see you in the next video. We're going to continue with Google. Okay, we're picking up right where we left off. Christopher Wilson, Mobile App Mogul, and this is the AppyGEN training, of course. And we stopped right here at the Google images. Okay, so these are all the images that we have. But remember, on Google, we want to use Creative Commons images. Okay, so these, I will not even mess with these, but for the sake of argument and for what we're doing, we're going to download one. Now, I think we already have our required 5 to 10 images. Actually, we don't, but I'm just for this app, I just downloaded, I think, about 5, but let's go ahead and choose one from Google. And actually, it's not that many, which is surprising. Not that many neon, but we'll see. Let's see what we got here. Okay, but as I said before, the site that I use is Yandex, of course. Wait, did my video stop? Record? Yeah. Okay. Let's get one from here, actually. Let's do this one, okay? And like I said, you don't really have to worry about the size because they're going to be resized anyway. Okay, save image as. And, okay. I went and saved that image. I don't know what in here. Okay, now let's click here, tools, and this is going to bring up our usage rights. Now, what we search Google all to use these all the time, because if somebody, has a copyright on it, they could, say that you're using the image and you don't have permission. And Google Play will, possibly shut your account down or disable your app or suspend your app. So we're going to go to usage rights so we can use these images free of use, okay? Label for commercial reuse with modification. You can use that one. You can use label for reuse. You can use all of these, okay? So let's just try one just to show you how it works. But whenever you use Google Images again, once again, try to use the usage rights on them. But you can take a chance on using, okay. And as you can see, the selection is not that good. Okay. Use, keep that in mind. Okay. These are neon wolves, actually. But you can play around that, see what you can come up, okay? All right, now, real quick, I'm going to show you this real quick. This is AppyGEN's content page where you can find content for your wallpapers and your keyboards, live wallpapers and such. And these are stock images, okay? I'm not going to go through these sites right now, okay? And these are also the rest of the sites, but I will put this in the description. So let's just look at one. Let's just see. Let's just try this one. And let's see what we're looking like here. Okay, this is a site. It's called Pixels, one of them. And let's see if we can find Neon Wolf by any chance. Probably not, but we're going to see. And this is the AppyGEN's content. All of their suggested links for their content. And most of these are stock images, so they're free to use. Or you can pay for them also. Okay, I have no neon wolves. Okay, still, this is another option if you look for images, content for your wallpaper and keyboard themes. So with that, I'm going to go right here because we have 5 to 10 neon wolf images, so we're going to use those. And I'm going to see you in the next video, and take care.